Whoa! Shit, I need to pull that.
Come on, let's bypass this shit. Josh is pissed.
We got an old handicapper in front of us.
Nope.
You're like perfectly healthy for your age and height. Alright, so I know I've been running my mouth blabbing on and blabbing on. So you do some talking. Let's balance this out. Tell them what we're going to do. No, we don't know that. Tell them. You tear it down, Andrew.
Luck for that.
Yeah, now turn it on. Whatever, just yell over it. That's...
Nah, you knew how to turn it up. You already had it down.
There's your dually.
Yeah, you want 17.5 for it.
That's too much. Is it 17?
16.5. It's a 7.3 truck. 129,000 original miles. It's the actual owner of the dealership's personal truck. And he will not finance it. He wants cash money.
He wants $18,000 for a 7.3 F-350. Hell no. I understand it has sentimental value since it is a 7.3. What year is it?
03.
Okay, so it's a good late model 7.3 truck. But it looked like a Lariat dually.
Yeah, I called him. I was like, that 03 F-250 or F-350 you got. I was like, is that a 7.3 or 6.0? He said, oh, it's a 7.3. If it's a 6.0, I wouldn't have bought it.
It's a 7.3 by God. That's why it's priced for $18,000. It's got 18 head bolts, dude. Come on now. No, but anyhow, so we're going to look at some steering gear on a car. We have no idea what kind of vehicle it is, but I was taking a shower last night. I got a call. Somebody wants us to come and they believe they need tie rods is what they told us, so we're going to go out there and we're going to inspect their steering gear and see if we can find any of them. Speaking of which,
oh yeah, you heard from JD.
I heard from JD.
So let's go get that 944 Porsche I sent you last night.
So if you go back a couple videos to the one of our very first videos where we were putting the weather stripping seal on the door on the sandblaster, the big blue box, you might notice you can hear Josh talking about whether or not it's charity or a donation or whatnot. We have a client, a good friend of ours. His name's JD. He has a 328i BMW. He wants to horse trade us for some labor. He wants us to do some brakes on a big 1-ton truck he has. And then he's going to hand us the title on the car. We're going to try and see if we can literally squeeze a 468 Oldsmobile big block in a chassis that is literally designed for an inline motor. And very particular, I don't know if the 454 Chevy big block is like the Oldsmobile. Because, do you remember how many degrees? 90. It has a 90-degree bank. So that thing sticks out literally at 90 degrees on both banks. We're going to try and squeeze that in there.
60.
Is it? I did not know that. I didn't think it was quite 90, but I knew.
If you can look, I might be vice versa.
I know the Oldsmobile's 90, the one we got.
If you look at the 454 manifolds, they're up like this.
Yeah, it's more of a V.
The Oldsmobile's straight down almost.
Yeah. So we got that going on.
Flat.
you'll also notice in that other video where we were bitching about I was bitching about OBD1 Fords. I have like a personal vendetta against OBD1 pre-96 302 engine management systems. I hate
They let that truck go.
We, ironically, the same night we finished that truck, that we, what did we have? We aired up the tire.
Be careful up here.
Yeah, that truck needs to merge.
Well, there ain't nobody gonna let him go.
Holy cow. Oh, he got it. Man, share the road for semis. You gonna back me up on that?
Well, being a former CDL driver, people are assholes. My most hated car was in Miami, Florida. I kept having Toyota Priuses brake check me.
You know, me and Josh, we're not in our 30s yet. We're in our late 20s. Me and Josh like to flat-foot it every once in a while. We like to bang some gears. Sometimes we hit the brakes too hard. But you know what? There's not other cars around when we do it. It's on back roads.
And it's usually like in the morning.
Me and him can't stand the city. We live out in the sticks. Like a damn possum getting in your trash for a reason. And when we come out here in the city, the other day I pulled out and somebody was just accelerating. They pulled out also like 1,500 foot down the road from me. They just come wide ass open towards me as I'm trying to cut across into the chicken lane, the median, so I can merge into the other oncoming lane from them. And Josh was with me. Do you remember what I'm talking about? And it pissed me off because essentially that's not sharing the road. Like, you're not supposed to aggressively accelerate towards people. It's just there is a Hall County Marshal walking in the ditch right there.
Probably about to sneak up on some fishermen.
He's
Oh, you said Marshall. I thought you said DNR.
or DNR, yeah. I don't know why I said Marshall. That's probably DNR, yeah.
I bet he's walking right up in there.
There's a park right there, and then there's the bridge right here. So yeah, he's probably gonna go check the license.
He's walking for a reason.
But anyhow, so I mean, why not? Why would you want to accelerate aggressively towards another vehicle? That's just retarded.
The bridge is coming together.
Yeah, this new bridge is nice. We're getting distracted. What was I talking about?
Your fear of OBD1 Fords.
Yeah, so if you look back a couple videos, you'll see we aired up the tire, we topped off the transmission fluid from where we put a filter and transpan gasket on it. Josh did the valve cover, and it was the same night we finished that one, and you'll see upcoming videos of this one. Another customer pulls in a OBD1 Ford.
Oh, we were just saying, no more OBD1 Fords. I'm done with them. I'm not working on any more. And here comes two of them pulled up in our.
Trying not to make this video ran on too long, but they pulled up in an OBD1 Ford. I whipped out my weekly planner and wrote down the concerns and complaints from the customer, and it was literally hesitation and dies while driving, shifting in erratically, and sluggish engagement. E4ODs they have such a good rep online, and me and Josh have owned several E4OD vehicles, heavy duty and light duty, and I can't fucking stand them. I think they're junk. Fucking junk! Guys, I'm here with Junior today. So, if you had to guess his age, I said somewhere in 60s. All right, Junior, lay it on him.
82.
Junior's 82.
Yeah.
All right, now tell him your secret.
I ain't telling you secrets.
Oh, okay. Well, he's got a secret. It'll stay between me and him.
I'll tell you two of them. I don't
All right.
drink, I don't smoke,
There you go.
and I don't go with the girls that do.
There you go. You heard that. He ain't getting drugged down by alcohol and Marlboro Reds. Tell him where you worked.
I work for 3 or 4 different places.
Well, tell him about the underground one.
Oh, at Kentucky coal mine.
He worked in the Kentucky coal mines. He beat the odds.
Yeah,
A lot of them guys ain't around nowadays.
that's right.
Good job, Junior. We just put outer tie rods on it. The old ones were pretty shot, as you can see. They're throwing in the towel. I ain't seen some that bad in a while. So yep, just outer tie rods. Pretty straightforward job. We're actually gonna test drive it real quick after this to see how much vibration that eliminated. I could tell it needed tie rods, but they were worse than I thought, come to find out. So Junior had these carbs rebuilt, and he can smell the fuel really bad, and he's wanting us to check on pretty much I would imagine the air idle circuit, make sure it ain't too rich. Looking at these carbs, we don't see much adjustability right now. There's probably something somewhere. We might stumble across it. But we got oh, you found one now. We got a no fouler in here, and we're going to try it without the no fouler because I think that's causing a slight misfire every so often. I ain't ever seen a no fouler be used on a two-stroke before. I've only seen guys run them on whatchamacallit, four-cylinder engines. I know guys use these on O2 sensors too, if I ain't mistaken. It's probably bigger than that. That's probably not the right size. Alright. Okay, Josh, go hit the key. No, I don't think so. I think what I was noticing with the puff of smoke was literally it switching into power band, because these two strokes, the air and fuel mixture comes in, it goes underneath the piston, and on the downstroke it pressurizes the crankcase, and then it squirts in here, and it's like it kind of self-turbocharges itself. So I think that's what that puff of smoke was, just the active compression ratio getting higher. Don't have a big gap on there either. It's a little off. A little sideways on the electrode. Yeah, let's put your spark plug tester on here and make sure we do have a healthy spark. And I'm gonna increase this gap just a little and straighten this out. Straightened out that electrode, wire wheeled it a little bit, and put a bigger gap in it. We're also gonna put a spark plug checker on it. Also, this is the first two-stroke boat I've seen that has this style plugs.
Run NGKs.
No, most of not the name brand, but most of them I've seen don't even have an electrode.
Yeah.
You can't gap them. Have you seen that style?
Yeah.
This might be the wrong plug. I'm not a boat guy. I'm not a huge two-stroke guy either, so.
I told them I had a 150 Johnson. They what they give me.
Okay. Yeah, hit it. It's probably the right plug. I'm not certain.
Alright. You good with that?
The spark was consistent and it was alright, but it wasn't super bright.
What?
I think you might have a coil on the way out. It should have been a little brighter.
Try a known good one.
Yeah. Have you ever had this one foul?
No.
Because it's got optical ignition. I think it'd be a little brighter than that.